In this video, we will be discussing the CAD or computer-aided design side of Easel. The CAD side focuses around the canvas. The canvas is where design elements can be added to create the carve. To the left of the canvas is the toolbar. From the toolbar, we are able to select many different design tools. First on the toolbar is the Shapes option. This option lets us select from a set of shapes and add them to our canvas. Next is the Pen tool. This tool allows us to pick from a few different configurations to draw lines and arcs that can be added to our canvas. Below that is the Drill Points tool. This tool allows us to drop a point on our canvas that is then drilled out according to the size of the bit we have selected. Next is the Text tool. Here, we can pick from a variety of fonts before adding them to our canvas. After they are added to the canvas, we can edit the text. Next is the Pro Design Library. Here, users can search a library of design images and elements to add to the canvas. Below that is the Measurement tool. This tool allows us to create measurements in Easel that won't appear on the final carve. Next are the Easel apps. The Easel apps are tools that allow us to create new designs such as inlays or puzzles in Easel. After that comes the Image Trace feature. You can use this feature to upload JPEG images to Easel. Keep in mind that it works best with high contrast black and white images. Below that is the Import tool. Here you can upload different file types to Easel, such as SVG, STL, and DXF. Last is the Monogram app. Here you can generate a variety of monograms into the Easel canvas. Once you add a design element to the canvas, you can edit and adjust it in a number of ways. When you select the design element, a bounding box will appear. With this bounding box, we can adjust the size, shape, and rotation of an object. We can also adjust the parameters from the Shape and Cut menu that appears when a design element is selected. With the options in the Shape and Cut menu, we can get more granular. We can also lock a shape so that it doesn't move. We also have the option to edit the points of the element. The Cut menu allows us to adjust the depth of an object as it's cut with the slider or the input at the bottom. Easel shows depth on the canvas via grayscale. The darker an object is, the deeper it cuts in relation to the material thickness. The lighter the object, the more shallow it will cut. You are also able to adjust the cut path of an object. Easel has 4 options: clear out a pocket, cut on shape path, cut outside shape path, and cut inside shape path. Above the Shape and Cut menu are a number of alignment features. If you have one object selected, the options are grayed out. If you have 2 objects selected, you can use the tools to align them. There are also options for sending shapes back and forth on the canvas. This helps for creating layered designs. If you click and hold the click on a design element, you can move it around the canvas, and Easel will show alignment tools where you move the element. Lastly, you have the Edit menu. This menu changes slightly depending on what you have selected. If no design elements are selected, you will see 2 selection options, Select All and Select by Cut Type. You will also see a Paste option. If one object is selected, you will see options to Select All, Select by Cut Type, Select by Matching Depth, a Cut, Copy, Paste, and Remove option, options to flip horizontally or vertically, more options to send objects backwards and forwards for that layering effect, and then also options for an offset or to replicate objects, as well as an option to center any object to the material. If you have 2 objects selected, the options will be mostly the same to the one object selections, except you'll also have options to group objects or combine them. Join us for our next video where we'll go over bit and materials.